Are you looking for the best tool to create and share videos? Today, we are comparing Opus Clip and Riverside. Both are popular choices for video makers, but they serve different needs. Opus Clip is designed to help users easily edit and create short videos. It uses AI to analyze your content and suggest the best clips. This makes it great for social media, where quick and engaging videos are key. On the other hand, Riverside focuses on high quality remote recording. It's perfect for podcasters and interviewers who need clear audio and video. It allows you to record guests from anywhere, making it easy to create professional content. While both tools help with video creation, they cater to different audiences. Opus Clip is more about quick edits for social media, while Riverside is aimed at those who need high quality recordings. When it comes to features, Opus Clip offers intuitive editing tools and AI suggestions. It's user friendly and perfect for beginners. Riverside, however, provides advanced recording options and local file storage, ensuring top notch quality even with poor internet. Pricing is another factor. Opus Clip usually has a lower price point, making it accessible for casual users. Riverside, while more expensive, offers features that justify the cost for serious creators. So, which one should you choose? If you want quick, fun videos for social media, go with Opus Clip. But if you need high quality recordings for podcasts or interviews, Riverside is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.